Hello everybody, how's it going? Today we're going to have problem number 31. Write a program to fill an array element with random elements with random numbers from 1 to 100. Then copy the array elements in reverse order. Alright, we take it already before in last course or in this course in the beginning of this course, I don't remember. So for example, if the user insert or input 5, the output should be before we reverse the array numbers because the user insert 5, so we got 5 random numbers 66, 61, 5, 63, 57. And after that we want to reverse them, start from the last one of the array, put it the first one. Okay, after we reverse the array numbers, start from the last one, 57, make it the first one, 63, you make it the second one, 5, you make it the third one. So we print them again, but in reverse order. So let's go to Visual Studio to see how we're gonna convert this requirement into code. Alright guys, this is our solution problem number 31. Write a program to fill an array elements with random numbers from 1 to 100, then copy the array elements in reverse order. First, let's do run to see how the programs look like. Perfect. Once we run the command, specify this question, please insert how many elements do you want to get. I want 5 elements like the on the slide. Before we reverse the array numbers 19, 97, 96, 39, 27. After we reverse the array numbers starting from 27 and 39, 96, 97 and 90. So we reverse the number in order. Alright, so let's go to see how we fill this program. First thing, we have generate random number, we already take it. Get array elements with random number, we already take it. Display array procedure also already take it. This is just the only new procedure for this problem, to solve this problem. Before we open it, let's start from the main function. We have strand, you already know it. Integer array of 100 and array length, you already know these things. Get array elements with random number. To fill the array with random numbers, let's open it just to remind ourselves what is it. See out, please insert how many elements do you want to get. This is the question that's displayed on console screen for the user, and we take the number stored inside array length. So we have now length 5, 10 according to the user which number insert. Integer I equals 0 while I less than length, which is 5. Array of I, first in disk that it's empty actually. Please create for me a random number between 1 and 100 according to its range 1 and 100, and start in the first index of the array. Okay, array 1. And I++ move the index by 1, give me another random number by using generate random number function. You already know it. Just let's open it like this. Integer range equal to minus from plus 1. Integer result equal rand mod range plus from. You already know this logic. If you don't know it, check the lessons before. So this is the get array element with random number. We just fill the array with random numbers according to our length. If it's 5, the length we will return or we will take from the compiler 5 random numbers. If the user wants 10, to get 10 random numbers, so our length it will be 10. So till here we say it's rand, we define general type, particular array of 100, array length, and get array elements with random number, which is we fill the array, okay, with random numbers. And after that we have integer array 2 of 100, another array that we will store inside it. It's already its name array 2. This is stored inside it the numbers but in reverse order. And we have function, we name it copy array in reverse order. It takes the array that's full one, the full that already fill it here, and it takes the array 2 which is empty, and the length. The length it will be same for both arrays to reverse it in order correctly, not to have two different lengths. Let's go to copy array in reverse order procedure. As we said, take the array, it's full already, array 2 it's empty, and the length. Let's open this procedure. Perfect, it's small line of code. For integer I equals 0, we use for loop this time. I less than array. I less than array, yes, 0 less than 5, for example, because array length is still inside 5. So go inside this for loop and say array 2, which is the empty, but array 1, array 2, the empty of I, the first index of array 2, which is empty now. Give it the first number that's stored inside the array 1, array of array length minus 1 minus I, which means give me the last number, this line of code, array of array length minus 1 minus I, which means start from the end of array 1 index. Go to the last index, to the last number of array 1, bring this number, store it in the first index of array 2. Unlike this, we reverse them in order. You take the last one, you store it in the first index in the array 2. You take the second last one, and we store it in the second index of array 2. From here minus and here plus, minus plus, minus plus, until in the end it will reverse in order all the numbers. All right, and you can also here like do it differently. You write here the line of code, you reverse it. For example, you say I equal -1 and I greater than array of length I minus minus. Like you move in reverse. We take it also before. I don't want to explain it now for the time of the video. We take it also before. You can check in the lessons of print the value in reverse order or the numbers in reverse order. You can see the logic, check the logics there. It just I use this logic to make a new code, a new logic, because before I didn't use this logic, I used different logic, but in the end it's give the same result. Before one it's more easier than these, but also these it's not that hard. If you look at it and search what is it, you will understand array of array length -1 minus I what it's mean. Okay, and after that let's get back to the main function. After we copy it in reverse order, we just display them. The first one, before we reverse the array numbers, we display to give it the array, the full one, and the array length. And the second one, after we reverse the array numbers, we also display to use the same procedure, display array. We give it the array 2 and the length. Let's do right for the last time. Please insert how many elements do you want. Let's say this time 10. Perfect. Before we reverse the array numbers, 27, 49, 93, 39, the last one 41. After we reverse the array numbers, we start from 41, which is the last one here, and 75, which is the second last one here, and 47, and we reverse the numbers in order. That was the lesson of today. Problem number 31, write a program to fill an array elements with random numbers from 1 to 100, then copy the array elements in reverse order. All the lessons of the array that we take them till now, you have to understand them very, very, very good, very well, okay? Don't jump to the next lesson unless that you already understand the concept and the logic inside these functions, because they are important and it will help us in future courses, in future programs and projects also. So see you next lesson, next problem.